I am inside the statue. This is the 45th floor. Every day there is a laser light show in early morning, 7 o'clock, brand new day. I got ready.
Statue of Unity is located in Vadodara and the nearest railway station is Ekta Nagar. From Ekta Nagar, you will get direct free buses to the statue. It takes around 15 minutes to reach the statue from the railway station.
This is the pickup and dropping point of buses. Here you will get 3 buses.
Apart from bus, you can also take autos from station. Here you can find these pink autos run by women. Autos charge almost 150 from station, whereas bus is for free.
So this is the Statue of Unity. You can see the huge statue behind me. So that is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It looks very small from this far. Let's go near to that and see.
This statue is built on the bank of Narmada River. There is also a cruise ship here which serves food with the live folk dance performances. All these seating arrangements are meant for the evening sound and light show. I'll give more information about it in the later part, so keep watching till the end. Near this, at the entrance itself, there is a food court, and inside the food court you can find Subway, Starbucks and few other outlets. So you can have your food here itself. Even the seating arrangement is very well done. This place is located outside the city on the bank of Narmada River, so the weather is on the hotter side. Be prepared for that and definitely don't forget to carry your water bottle.
Too hot, it's too sunny, so get caps or dupatta and also the tallest statue in the world with 187 meters. This iron statue is dedicated to Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Construction of this statue is started in 2013 and inaugurated in 2018 by Prime Minister of India, and the total cost spent on this statue is 27 billion, that is 2,700 crores.
This is the entrance. We have taken our entry ticket. We have booked it online. You have 2 types of ticket. The entry ticket is just 150, but if you want entrance to the viewing gallery, which means you can go till the chest level of the statue, so that ticket price is rupees 380. The timing is from morning 9 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. and it is open from Tuesday to Sunday only. On Mondays, the Statue of Unity will be closed. As soon as you enter, you can see this small gallery. It's like a museum. This gallery showcases the lifestyle, history and the contributions of Sardar Patel. There's also an AV room which shows around 10 to 15 minutes of a short movie. There is an art gallery here which showcases the wildlife details about the surrounding regions. The interesting thing to watch here is how the planning of this statue has been made and executed. After spending time at the art gallery, now we are going inside the statue to the viewing gallery. The viewing gallery is located in the 45th floor, so you have to take a left.
45 floor. When
you reach the 45th floor, there will be a guide who will explain and give a complete details about the statue.
लिफ्ट से यहाँ तक हम आए
यानी कि 450 फीट की ऊंचाई है, 45 फ्लोर की ऊंचाई है, 135 मीटर की ऊंचाई पे ओनली 38 सेकंड में 4 मीटर पर सेकंड की स्पीड में लिफ्ट आती है। और यहाँ से हमें व्यू करना है। तो ये फ्रंट साइड, तो एल&टी कंपनी ने जो वर्क किया था 2014 में 3000 से ज्यादा लेबर वर्क से 250 इंजीनियर्स ने रात दिन उन्होंने ये काम किया। 31st सरदार साहब के बर्थडे में 2018 में इनॉग्रेशन किया। द वर्ल्ड्स टॉलेस्ट स्टैचू इन्होंने बनाया, 182 meters हाइट उन्होंने ये प्रतिमा बना के।
If you're enjoying this video, please hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel WanderBees.
एल&टी कंपनी 15 साल का मेंटेनेंस दिया है, 6.5 का रिक्टर स्केल होगा तब भी इतना मेंटेन कर सकता है। 180 किलोमीटर की रफ्तार से जो विंड आएगी तब भी ये चल सकता है। स्टैचू के जो डिजाइनर वो डॉक्टर राम मंजी सुतार है, महाराष्ट्र धुलिया डिस्ट्रिक्ट के हैं।
From the 45th floor, you can see a beautiful, spectacular view of Narmada River, Narmada Dam, and the surrounding mountains.
Now I am inside the statue. This is the 45th floor. It's a viewing gallery. From here you get a very beautiful view of Narmada River and also the dam. And also you can see few construction of the statue from inside.
So we have seen enough from inside of the statue. Now let's go outside. We can go till the foot of the statue and see the statue from very close. I'm near the foot of the statue. From here you'll come to know how tall is this. You can reach only till the toe level, so you'll definitely feel so small in front of the statue. All these things will take almost half day. Then you can take a exit, have a food at the canteen here, then start exploring other places around the statue. You can make use of the free bus available to explore the nearby places like Valley of Flowers, Cactus Garden, Butterfly Garden, Sardar Sarovar and Sardar Patel Zoo. Out of all this, only entry to the Valley of Flowers is already included in the ticket. Rest for all the places you have to buy separate entry. Visit here during the evening time, take a relaxing walk, or you can also watch the sunset from here. This is the glow garden which will lit up after the sunset, and you can come here if you're coming along with family or kids.
So every day there is a laser light show in the Statue of Unity. So you can see so much of crowd gathered for that. There is separate entry ticket you have to pay to watch that, and there are separate seating area for that. Now I am near the bus station. So from here you can watch it for free, but it is from very far distance.
After laser light show, we took the bus and left for railway station. So that's all about Statue of Unity. Thanks for watching.